Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a Goo Goo Dolls song called Better Days. Let's take a listen. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is a Voice Avenue version. This guy does covers on YouTube, and he does a really great job at all of them. He has millions of views, but I love this version because it's not too hard to play, and it sounds really cool, which we always like, right? So let's take a listen to it here, and let's learn some of it, actually. And this is part one. If you get on my website, WebPianoTeacher.com, you can download the sheets for this, and I teach you the whole thing. All right, E, B on the left hand to start with, right here in the middle of the piano. Right hand, E, B, E. I'll use 1, 2, 5. An ant on the screen. Let's take care of that guy. All right. And then E, D sharp, B. So it's bum, ba, dum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can hold the pedal down. You can let all that mix. I know I'm always over on you guys about pedaling, but it's okay to hold the pedal on this one because you want. That sounds okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right hand, but the left hand's going to go to A, E, A with a 5, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to B, F sharp, B. Right hand does the same thing. And then we can't see the rest of it, but you can even let that one pedal when you get there. So let's try it all and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you on WebPianoTeacher.com, and I'll talk to you later.